Our focus here at Thompson Health is patient care, and we want the people that can have an impact spend as much time as possible doing that patient care. We're looking to Xerox to help us find ways to maximize technology to make that possible.
With the federal cutbacks in healthcare and certainly state cutbacks in healthcare, the overall mission of our facility is to become as efficient as possible and still maintain our level of service. Print management seemed to be an obvious opportunity. We sent it out to bid to 4 different vendors and selected Xerox. The savings that they presented to us was definitely one of the deciding factors, but they also brought with it a support team that we found confidence in.
Most customers, 90% of them, really can't identify their costs. So what we did at Thompson Health is we started with an assessment to identify those costs. What we've done is we've taken a look at all the printer devices at Thompson Health and we put them into this spreadsheet. What you'll see is we're actually going to save you over $5,000 per month on your total spend.
And that's just considering what you're doing today in terms of supplies and service spend. We're going to map your entire environment and we'll have a current state picture. We'll give you a future state. The future state will include larger MFDs, which actually have a lower cost per print, and will also consume less electricity.
In the cardiology department, they had a fax machine and a printer and a copier. We've been able to wrap all those up into one. Instead of having to supply electricity for 3 devices now, we're actually only supplying it to 1.
Thompson Health, like many other hospitals in the nation, are facing a number of regulations. One of those regulations really being the requirement to drive to a digitized records processing system.
Xerox has helped us with not only the technology but the training to be able to do paper management into a digital format.
It'll be a secure document in a PDF form. Added benefits to them were hitting on their sustainability initiatives.
One of the real advantages to the recycling program that we have, Jeff, is because these consumables are going directly to the end users, there's no IT involvement for yours.
Less time spent on that, more time we can spend doing the high value.
Exactly.
IT.
Taking care of your patients,
Sure.
Not worrying about consumables inside of the printers.
Absolutely.
We're also going to take you down the path of solid ink. What that equals is 90% less waste. When
I did a presentation for our Accelerated Performance Group, I was able to throw on the table to them very hands-on type information. We had a assessment with the Xerox folks and are looking at their Xerox Print Management Services product, and I think it was very well received. So where we're going with all this is we need to manage our printing. Bottom line figures, that equates to about a $5,200 a month savings for Thompson.
Very good. That's fantastic.
Xerox is taking care of the technology behind print management.
Our primary business is patient care.
Teaming up with Xerox enables us to focus on that.
And at the end of the day, we end up with more time to spend on patient care and get with the people that are the customers for the hospital themselves.